Yo! See how the water stop works, people? That stops any water coming out. When I silicone across there, I've siliconed that aluminium down, and another little part is I silicone it like that. Your aluminium does not need to go through down to the concrete floor because I've waterproofed on top. I had a comment a while ago saying that my aluminium for my water stop had to go down to the concrete. Well, that's a lot of bullshit because I'm waterproofing on top, people. So you put your aluminium on top of your waterproof, like so. That won't be seen. See how that's a couple of mil below my tile? I will now miter that edge and make sure I have my grout in there tight, and we're laughing. I'll do that tomorrow or the next day when I've got a chance. And we're laughing. Just check your ends there so no water can creep out, and we're good to go. I'll pop that waste in. I'll come back to you when I'm doing that. That's sufficient now. There'll be an aluminium piece along there for the sliding door. Another nice floor done. Walls into the walls tomorrow. See you soon. I'll just mix up some mud and I'll show you how I put that waste in. See you soon.